Hello kids! Yes, today I am a pirate and I am in this beautiful boat, ready to keep learning English together. See that today we have to choose the right words from the bottom of the sea. And we have this text up here that we have to complete together. If you want, you can take your paper and your pen and do this with me. Let us start reading. There is a Halloween party and I am invited. Okay, thanks for that. It's at Samantha's house. Okay, I don't have a word there, but oh, look! She go or she goes? What is the word? I think that I go, you go, she goes, right? I think it's she goes. Let me just take it and fish it. Come on, let's fish it. Whoa! Okay, we have it. We fished the word. She goes. It's correct. It's lining up. She goes straight after school. I first what? Stop or stops? I stops doesn't sound good to me. I think it's I stop. Okay? I first stop by the house. Okay, to change my clothes, right? Yes, so let's do it and take it and fish it and what? Okay, we have it. I stop by the house. And okay, I change there. All right, I get dressed. We sing or we sings. We sing, right? Yes, it's totally obvious. I sing, you sing, he sings, she sings, it sings. We sing songs. Yes, let's fish that word. And yeah, it's correct. We sing songs. Okay, great. What else? We sing songs. We play games and we tell stories. That's great, fantastic for a party. We are lots of friends, okay? Leo, two options, Leo don't or Leo doesn't. Leo don't or Leo doesn't. I don't like, you don't like, he doesn't. So Leo doesn't because he is a boy. So he doesn't like. Yes, let's fish that word. Come on, fish the word and yeah! My magic boat is awesome. Okay, he doesn't like costumes like that. So he is an astronaut. And finally, Susan. Okay, what options do we have? Susan bake or Susan bakes? Susan bake or Susan bakes? So what? I think it's bakes. I bake, you bake, she bakes. Susan is a girl, so she bakes. Susan bakes cookies for the rest of us. Yeah! Hey! It's correct. So now all the text is shining. And look! Wow! So many coins for my treasure. Well done.
Do you want to keep learning with us? Download our worksheets and keep practicing. We have a full method to learn all type of structures in English. Check the description below for more content.